Namaskar, welcome to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. During this briefing, we will discuss about the past 24 hours observed weather. Apart from that, the anticipated weather events in the upcoming 5 to 6 days. If you look at the last 24 hours observed weather, light to moderate rainfall, snowfall observed at many places over Jammu region. Apart from that, few places over Arunachal Pradesh. If you talk about the particularly several parts of Punjab, some parts and West Rajasthan as isolated rainfall, light to moderate rainfall has been observed. Apart from that, heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal. Also, heavy rainfall at isolated places has been observed over Kerala and Mahe. Apart from that, hot and humid weather condition has been observed over Konkan and Goa region. If you talk about the maximum temperature during past 24 hours, maximum temperature has risen by 2 to 4 degrees at many places over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, that is Western Himalayan Region. Apart from that, there is a risen by 2 to 4 degrees at a few places over West Uttar Pradesh. And it has fallen over several parts of East India, Central India and some parts of that North India, that is East Uttar Pradesh. It will talk about the range. In particular, maximum temperature has been observed in the range of 35 to 40 degrees at many places over peninsular India, South Peninsular India, at few places over Chhattisgarh, Odisha and isolated places over Gujarat state. Apart from that, the highest maximum temperature being observed at Brahmapuri of Vidarbha, that is 38.6 degrees, that is yesterday. If you look at a range, that is a departure, the maximum temperature are above normal by 5.1 degree or more over at isolated places of Gangetic West Bengal and Jharkhand. And apart from that, they are in the range of above normal by 3 to 5 degree over some parts of coastal Karnataka, isolated places of Gangetic West Bengal, Konkan and Goa. If you talk about the synoptic condition, particularly the western district are now seen as a trough at upper and middle, lower and upper tropospheric level with axis at 5.8 km above mean sea level, that is roughly along 60 degrees to the north of latitude 28 degrees north. Apart from that, yesterday's cyclonic circulation, that is over West Equatorial Indian Ocean adjoining Maldives area, that is persists over the same region and extends up to 5.8 km above mean sea level, tilting southwest toward with height. Apart from that, a fresh cyclonic circulation has been observed today over Gulf of Mannar and adjoining and neighborhood area at 0.9 km above mean sea level. Apart from that, the cyclonic circulation that is over northeast Assam now persists over the same region, but it extends up to 3.1 km above mean sea level. Apart from that, a fresh western disturbance very likely to affect Western Himalayan region from 9th onwards. Because of this weather system, we are anticipating particularly this western disturbance likely to cause fairly widespread rainfall, snowfall over Western Himalayan region till 4th of March. And apart from that, we are also anticipating isolated heavy rainfalls, particularly today, that is during next 24 hours over Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, and some rainfall over adjoining plains during next 24 hours. And maximum temperature forecast, it is likely the maximum temperature likely to fall by about 2 to 3 degrees over Rajasthan during next 3 days, and their gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees thereafter in subsequent 2 days. Apart from that, we are also anticipating there will be no large change in maximum temperature by during next 24 hours over Gujarat and fall by 2 to 3 degrees thereafter. Apart from that, there will be no significant change in maximum temperature over rest parts of the country during next 4 to 5 days. If you talk about the warning in particular, there is an orange alert has been issued particularly for Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, looking into the isolated heavy rainfall probability of heavy rainfall activity over these states. Apart from that, also thunderstorm lightning likely to occur over these states at isolated places. Apart from for Punjab in particular, we are anticipating the thunderstorm lightning with gusty wind speed reaching 30 to 40. Apart from that, there is also possibility of hail. Looking into this condition, we have issued orange alert for the Punjab state. Apart from that, Haryana and Uttarakhand, there is possibility of thunderstorm lightning at isolated places. Looking into this condition, we have also issued yellow alert for the state. And northeastern states are under yellow alert for the thunderstorm lightning over some parts of the state likely during next 24 hours. If you talk about the southern state, particularly Kerala, likely to get isolated thunderstorm activity during next 24 hours. Looking into this condition, we have also issued a yellow alert. And for temperature aspect, particularly hot and humid condition likely over the Konkan area for next 4 days, and for coastal Karnataka particularly for during next 24 we are anticipating isolated heat wave condition likely over coastal Karnataka. Looking into this condition, yellow alert has been issued. But if we talk about the particularly the impact of WD, that is likely to be reduced, but however the thunderstorm activity likely to continue over some parts of Himachal Pradesh as well as Uttarakhand, and hot and humid condition particularly for next from day 2 to day 5 over coastal Karnataka, and for over the Konkan area particularly likely to continue from day 2, that is 4th to on 6th over the Konkan area. So from day 7 and day 8, that is there will be no warning, that is 8th and 9th there will be no warning for any parts of the country, particularly day 6 and day 7. For detailed information you can directly log in into our mausam website, that is mausam.imd.gov. And apart from that you can also follow us in social media platforms like X, YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you, Namaskar.